So recently I visited Dr Jamuna Pai's Skin Lab in Delhi for a skin assessment. The doctor decided and checked my skin and then decided to do a combination of Enzyme pack and professional peel, which will help in removing tanning, exfoliate and lighten acne spots. She explained me that basic aim of treatment is to replace the outer dead layer of tiredness, blemished skin and to reveal the underlying area of freshness, looking more younger than before. Depending on my skin condition, it depends that you need 4 to 6 sessions of this treatment. Results are long lasting and a single maintenance session may be required every 2-3 months. The procedure is very comfortable with most people experiencing a warm to hot sensation that may last as long as 10 minutes followed by a mild stinging sensation. Followed the skin peel. Doctor told me that it is important to avoid any exposure to the sun. I must apply a wide spectrum UVA blocking sunblock at least 15 to 20 minutes before I go outside. So, and here is my result.